Okay, so now it is time to test your new skills with this module's challenge. Just like in Module 2, I'm going to set you a challenge and demonstrate some audio that I've implemented into my project. Your job is to then implement the same audio yourself without my help. Once you've done that, you can either compare your method to mine using the video below this one, or you can attempt some of the bonus challenges I've included. Now, this module had a big focus on creating your own playlists of audio to be triggered by our game. So for today's challenge, I would like you to go back to our power-up objects that we looked at in Module 2 and create a public playlist of sounds that are chosen at random to play whenever a tank collects one. This is how your game should sound. For this challenge, you'll find links underneath this lesson to download some additional audio assets that you may use in your playlists. You'll also find a link that will show you how my final Power Up audio script turned out at the end of Lesson 4 of Module 2. If you changed your Power Up audio script at all since that lesson, then you can use that page to copy my final script and paste it into yours, so that we're both starting from the same script. Okay, so let's take a look at today's bonus challenges. Prevent the same audio clip from being played 2 times in a row, and create a public toggle button that randomizes the clips played when enabled, but plays them in a fixed sequence, one after the other, when disabled. Now the first, I'm hoping you'll be able to complete no problem, but the second one is definitely going to push you a little. Here's a little tip to help you with the second one. I'd recommend taking a brief trip back to the C# basics lessons in Module 1. You'll want to use these to remind yourself how to use else statements if you can't quite remember how they work. Now, just like last time, you're more than welcome to look back over previous lessons, both from this module and any of the earlier ones too. You can also use other resources online if you need to, so if you're stuck, don't feel as if you have to suffer in silence. And don't forget, your script doesn't have to look identical to the script I'll be showing you in the How It's Done video. So long as yours does what I've asked, then you can pat yourself on the back. Okay, that's everything I have to say about this challenge, so give it your best go, and I'll see you in the second video.